Alright. No light in here. Gas station. This was in front of there. Haven't got into it yet. Let's see what kind of party we got. Filter. Filter's clean. Bonus. Oh, sticky. It's nasty. It's nasty. Well, don't have any power. Nothing. Oh, my feet are sticking to the floor. Oh God. You guys like doing a commercial? This shit is nasty. You get in these freaking restaurants and gas stations. They're nasty. Nasty. Now I gotta find a breaker box. Let me find a breaker box. Just make sure I don't, because everything seemed to be on, but I don't have any power here. Oh, nothing. Let me go get my circuit breaker tracker. So, found the breaker. It was tripped. Juicer was running 2 amps. Lower motor sounded good.
It's on.
Yeah, it's running.
Did it start running right now? Or
Yeah, it's running right now. It just started up.
So was it from back there?
Yeah. It's on that other panel. Just want to make sure. I don't know why it tripped the breaker.
Yeah, I thought it was the filter, so I went.
Yeah, I seen the filter was changed.
Yeah, change the filter.
Motor sounds a little weak on startup. Check the capacitor. looks like the blower motor's been changed. Come on. How long do you check your pass? It's got a good capacitor. Good capacitor. Don't know why the breaker would trip. This thing's a hunk of junk. Hunk of junk. What was that?
Sorry. Is it working?
Yeah, it's getting there. Yeah, I mean everything's working. What was that? Yeah, it's I just started it back up again. So give it a few minutes. Let's go outside for a minute. Just walk around back with the analyzer. That doesn't smell bad. Horrible glare on the screen. She's not plugged. Didn't see any signs of leaking. It's showing signs this thing's plugging up. Or maybe overfired. Nope, not overfired. It's starting to plug up. I didn't see any evidence of leaking though. Should be CO, I should be down 15, 18. Let's plug in. Hold on. That's on the thermal image. There's some kind of wiring issue, or the breaker's faulty, or something's going on there electrical. It's not on my side. My connections were good at the furnace. I don't know. He's going to have to get an electrician involved, because I'm not tearing into that train wreck. I mean, if it was a homeowner, I probably would have got into the panel. But when it comes to commercial, that's a no-go. I don't putz around with too many commercial panels, let's put it that way. I do and I don't. I know when to say I know when to hold them, because that wasn't happening. That was not happening, because you know, that's in a gas station. It's not really well maintained. One breaker box right next to it's wide open. Wasn't something I wanted to get into. I'll let an electrician take care of that. I know enough to be dangerous, but I know when to stop. So yeah, that's it for this one. Just goes to show you, if you have good tools and you know how to use them, you can find the problem quick. I wasn't really there for that long. Maybe 20 minutes to half an hour. I didn't really want to get any farther into it than I did. Okay guys, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.